Today we have come as brother bishops, but in the house you also find that they are sisters. So come and mingle with us. May God bless you.
Thank you so much, Bishop Kibushwa, inviting the bishop on our behalf to be in our midst. I also bring greetings from my family, Esther and our children, and the entire team of my Diocese of All Saints. A few are here, but those who are not received their greetings. We now want to recognize our community leaders in the county of Nyeri, but also our national leaders. I want to begin by saying, Your Excellency, the Second Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, karibu sana na Mama Pastor Dorcas. It is not that we don't love you, but we have to establish protocols for the Anglican Church that we will allow you to greet people and all of you outside, and we have said, even if the President was here, we will still do the same, because we want what happened in the worship and sanctuary to be respected, and other communication will be given out there, because it will not be part of worship, it will be communication to the nation. Now today we have a host of MCAs from this county, led by the majority leader, Honorable Kanyago. All MCAs present, just stand and wave to the congregation. We have our governors, the host governor, the governor of this county of Nyeri, His Excellency Mutai Kahiga. Asante sana, with the entirety of your team. I know you have your government present here. We also have the governor of Laikipia, who form part of this diocese, His Excellency Joshua Irongo with us. We also have a host of members of parliament. And because some of them have come from far, allow me to read their names as they greet us as we honor them. We have the Senator of Kajiado County, Honorable Seki. We have Senator Joe Nyutu of we have Senator Dhangwa, Karugo Dhangwa. We have Senator John Methu. We have Honorable Wanjiko Moshina, is it? Kipipiri? We have Honorable Onesimus Ngogoyo, Kajiado North. We have Honorable Joseph Munyoro Kigumo. We have Honorable Wakili Mureu Gatanga. We have Honorable Benjamin Gatheru, Embakasi Central. Honorable James Gakuya, Embakasi North. Honorable John Kagusha Mokuruaide. Honorable Sheni Wainaina Kieni. Honorable Duncan Mudi Mwangi Madenge, Nyeri Town. Honorable Wainaina, Mount Kenya, Othaya. Honorable George Kiamburi, Juja. Honorable Joyfrey Wandeto, Tetu. Honorable Jane Kihara, Naivasha. Honorable Kamande Mwafrika, Roysambu. Honorable Mary Wamua Maragwa. Honorable David Waroye, Deputy Governor Nyeri. Honorable James Gichuhi, Speaker Nyeri. Honorable Amos Mwango Starehe. We have our former MPs. We have Honorable Ngonjiri Wambogo. We also have Honorable Kate Warogoro. We have Honorable Gichuki Mugambi Othaya. Have I left anybody? Yes. This is Dr. Thuo Mathenge. Asanteni sana, asanteni sana. I'm also told Justice Gachagua is here. But in the service, I also saw Honorable Mother Karua. I think she must have left early. We really want to thank you, and we honor you, we cherish you with all our leaders. We are praying for this nation and praying for you. Mungu awabariki sana. Now, we will have our bishop now lead us in, not lead us in peace, but he will lead us in peace. Then I will do the benediction. Then we shall all, he will come here. We do the gifting because I normally see people gift and begin to walk out. So we will finish everything service and then we can be able to begin the gift. He will come here. We'll begin with the bishops, then our leaders and everybody else. We will do that. So we'll ask our bishops to lead us in the blessings, final blessings.
We all stand for the blessing. May the Lord of the harvest bless your crops, your maize and your beans, your rice and your potatoes, your tea and your coffee. May the Lord of creation bless your animals, your cattle and your camels, your sheep and your goats, your chicken and your pigs, lakes and rivers. May the favor of our Lord, of our God, rest upon you, to multiply and increase your businesses, organizations, and institutions. May the Lord prosper whatever you put your heart to. May the Lord bless you in your places of employment. May the Lord of all life